How to interpret the hearing test. Air conduction. During this part of the test, you'll be wearing insert headphones. The insert headphones stimulate all parts of the ear: the external, middle, and inner ear. Bone conduction. During this part of the test, you'll be wearing a headband. The headband vibrates your skull and stimulates the inner ear directly, bypassing the external and middle ear. If there's a difference between the headphone responses and the headband responses, that means there's an issue with the external or middle ear. This is an audiogram. It is arranged on the x-axis from low to high pitch, and along the y-axis from soft to loud volume. The better your hearing is, the higher up on the graph you'll be. Hearing loss goes from normal to slight, mild, moderate, moderately severe, severe to profound. Air conduction responses are recorded with blue X's for the left ear and red O's for the right ear. Bone conduction responses are recorded with blue brackets for the left ear and red brackets for the right ear. Word recognition score. This is the part of the test where you'll repeat the list of words. The volume is set loud enough to where you won't struggle to hear. We're not checking to see if you can hear, we're just checking to see if you can understand what you hear. If you can hear it, can you repeat it? The closer your score is to 100%, the better. Quick speech and noise test. How well can you hear in the presence of background noise? If you can still understand the conversation when there's a lot of background noise, you'll have a low ratio and therefore a good score. Zero to 3 decibels is considered normal.